Okay, me and Mr. Griffey got the 3/4 all laid out. Now we're gonna go see if the galleon roller will run. Come up here and roll it. Did I move a lever or something? I mean, it was running so good. Guess we shouldn't have killed it. Yeah. Ah, shit. Jeez. Okay, we got it running. There we go. There we go. Team rollering. Oh, that's the only roller I got, boys and girls. Okay, so I don't know if it really did anything or not, but it's smooth. So I have called Industrial Metal Enterprises, and tomorrow they will have me a couple of 8-foot rectangle tube pieces to put on the forks of the forklift so I can get all the way under that and pick it up and then move it over here. Then I can get the D9 up here on the concrete. I'll be able to get the service truck on this side on the concrete to start working on it, because that's got to get fixed.